How do you know when you should buy or sell a stock? How do you know what price to buy or sell that stock? In this video, I will be quickly explaining how you can use market data for free to make more informed decisions on what prices to be buying or selling stocks. Stick around till the end and I'll let you know how you can get free access to level 2 market data powered by Nasdaq TotalView and 2 free stocks worth up to $1,600 each. When it comes to trading stocks profitably, the objective seems simple enough: buy low and sell high. But as an investor, how do you know what price to buy or sell a stock? This is where market data comes into play. Market data includes information about the current trades that are being made and for what price the shares are being bought or sold. If you trade stocks, market data has to become your best friend. Let's start with order flow because it's super convenient to read to gain a quick idea of the general sales trend of a stock, and it can give you insight into how the stock is actually being traded. When you're looking at the order flow widget, you will see the order flow for all the orders being traded. The inflow shows you the large, medium, and small buy orders for the stock versus the outflow, which contains the large, medium, and small sell orders for the stock. This widget is powered by completely free Level 1 market data from Nasdaq TotalView, and it allows traders to quickly analyze the sales trend of a stock and then decide if it's the best time to buy or sell that specific stock. My new favorite widget is the order book. The order book is powered by Nasdaq Level 2 market data, and the order book shows you up to 30 real-time orders at one time. Being able to look at all these orders at once in real time is super valuable because it lets you see what the stock is being bought and sold for. The bid side on the left shows current buy orders, and the ask side on the right showcases the current sell orders taking place. The number of shares being traded in each order is referred to as the size in the top left, and you can even see the rate at which the order is fulfilled, indicated by the shaded in bar that moves as the shares are successfully traded. You may change the number of current orders your order book widget displays by simply clicking the number in the middle and then changing it to either 1, 5, 10, 20, or 30. You can even set it up so you can place orders directly from the order book by clicking the settings in the top right and toggling Click to Place Orders to On. Enter whatever order quantity you want to be your default for one-click orders, then press Done. Now, whenever you want to buy or sell a stock, you can be sure you are getting the best price with one easy click. I highly suggest you check this widget out and familiarize yourself with the Level 2 market data if you wish to make more informed trades. Most importantly, right now if you sign up for a Webull account with the link in the description, you will receive a free 3-month Level 2 Advanced Nasdaq TotalView subscription and 3 free stocks if you deposit $100 or more into your new trading account. I'd greatly appreciate it if you left a like and subscribe for more videos. Please feel free to ask any related questions below, and I'll do my best to answer everyone I can help.